We are at IFEX 2024 at Rhino Machines stall, and I am having with me Sidharth Gupta. He's from Godawri Spherocast Pvt Ltd, Ambala. And the relationship what Godawri and Rhino is having is for many years, right?
Yeah.
So there was a time when Godawri should have been gone with maybe a important machine.
Yes.
But you and your father, the company decided that we should trust and we should give the opportunity to an Indian MSME and see that how they are working. And you worked with Rhino now for years.
Yeah.
How you think that kind of decision your father should have been taken to support Indian manufacturing?
First of all, my father is a nationalist, so obviously we also. So when we were deciding to buy an Omega plant, so we had options of Omegas, and then Mr. Manish Kothari had been visiting us for some time. I wasn't there at that time, my father was there. So, talks keeping in, my father was very interested in encouraging Indian manufacturers, Obviously the cost was also a big factor. So cost was around 30% less, Indian manufacturers. So we thought it would be a good thing, to firstly to try some new products and, increase our productivity, at the same time give the opportunity to Indian MSMEs. So that was the, to increase our productivity at the lowest cost and also to encourage Indian manufacturers.
See, why I am telling that was basically a courageous decision your father
Yes,
had.
yes.
But then I am realizing this have made a big relationship between Godawri and Rhino. And for years you are working together.
Yeah, we had ups and downs also, but again, Mr. Manish Kothari is ultimately a good person. We believe in his technology. He's a big technocrat. So, so sometimes things happen, but yeah, it's been a long relationship and we have known each other for like 23 years.
See, this kind of collaboration is what the industry is looking at, trusting the capabilities of people and investing in it.
Yes.
And maybe it on the long term, both the people get benefited out of it.
That's the risk.
And today, I'm very happy to say that, Sidharth is looking at investing in one of the new innovation or a revolutionary innovation what Manish Kothari came out with. The wastage of sand in the Foundry is a big trouble.
Big trouble, yeah.
It is like sawdust. I just kept it in my hand. I have to go to the washroom and I need to wash it.
Yes.
And it just spreads like that. And he came out with this SPB machine.
Yeah.
And you think that it is something what one should invest and contribute?
I think basically we all keep talking about, cleaning our environment and, doing something. So this is an opportunity, I think. And sand foundry dust is, it's so fine. So it goes into people's lungs and everything. It's not easily disposable. In US and everything, I was there in America. So people use foundry dust in sand, in, basic manufacture of roads and you're filling up sand dumps and everything. But India, we haven't seen that. In fact, we tried approaching a couple of MSME offices in Chandigarh and all these places, but no one was interested. Plastic waste is a big challenge for, I think, the whole planet, especially in India. So this is a beginning, I think, good step, and it should be encouraged.
And yeah, it should be encouraged, and you are taking the right step by investing and trying to take this to Ambala.
Yeah.
And I wish you and Manish and Rhino and Godawri all the very best.
Yeah, thank you.
To make our earth more stronger, greener and sustainable.
Yes, thank you.